guys, Mr. Waidul Haq back with another video. I'm here with Labdul Haq. Today I'm going to be showing you the rust problem on my Mach 6 Golf. So here's how bad it is. All the paints have come off. It's on this driver side door because this was previously in a collision, I think. So yeah, I'll show you how bad the door alignment's off. So have a look here. If you slowly bring it in, you can see massive gap. So what this door needs doing is it needs lifting. So the way you lift it is with the you just untighten these and lift it up and tighten it again. That's all they had to do. The last owner, but he didn't. I don't know why, he's a crazy bastard. So that's all he had to do, and none of this would have happened. But it's too late now, so I'm gonna have to sand all this down, paint it again, get this door sorted, and then it should be alright, hopefully. But yeah, it's a very bad state at the moment, and yeah, I'll show you the results once we do it. Alright guys, we've got the hinge now. It costs £23. So this is a bare metal hinge that we need to paint up. Got the bolt with it. But yeah, that's the exact match. It should do the job. So the way it fits on is this way, I believe, something like that. So the part that was missing on my door is the bottom nut there. That's why the hinge was not working, it failed. So we got this brand new one. Probably spray Europe sometime and then fit it on, and then hopefully that door will work, and then we can we'll have to sort out all the rust and the paint on the bottom that this door has caused. It's a very simple fix. The last owner never did it. I don't know why, because he could have prevented all this damage happening, but it is what it is. I guess it's on us now, so I'll fix it before we sell the car, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get done. Also guys, that's the part number if you need it. It's for the driver side door hinge, 1KO blah blah blah. N, I'm guessing, stands for near side, I don't know. Yeah, that's your code. So yeah, anyways guys, alright guys, we got the car back from the garage now. As you can see, the back bumper is fixed. You can't even tell anything happened. So you hear that noise now? Like, you can't tell anything's happened. There's only a tiny dent there, but that's why, if you've seen the pictures from before and after. And let me show you the main thing, which was the door. As you can see, there's no rust left. It's all nice and black. Main thing is the door closes properly now. Don't have to slam it. So let's have a look here. So we got a new hinge in there. He was meant to paint it, but I don't know, he just left, I guess. It is what it is. As long as it works, you can't really see it. We can respray that ourselves anyway. So yeah, the door seal perfect now, and yeah, no rust at all, as you can see. Perfect. We just need to give the inside of the car a wash, clean properly now. It's all dirty, as you can see from before, from when he was working on it. So the main thing is the door closes properly now. You don't have to slam it. Watch this guys. Perfect. You see that? All because of a stupid hinge, all this work.
You can see it's all properly lined up.
It's all lined up, yeah. Look at that. So now it's in a sellable state, innit?
Yep.
Yeah.
So if anyone watching this video, if you want to buy it, obviously that was not
15 grand, yeah. 20 grand, 30 grand. I'm joking. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention. All the plastics have been broken while he was fixing it, so I have to replace all this, as you can see. But it is what it is. Shouldn't be too much. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And this will be one of the last videos you see of the car, hopefully. No, hopefully, I mean, unfortunately. So yeah.
The next video you shall see is Guido's new Mercedes.
Mercedes, yeah? Mercedes. I don't like Mercedes.
Oh no, we're not going to tell them what's next, innit?